So welcome back to another video. I picked up some tools like last week or last month, I forgot. I just accumulated all these. I didn't open them yet, but let me see. This, and this was from Amazon, and then this, and this was from Harbor Freight. So let's start here. Got this 3/8 8-piece impact socket set. What is it? So standard. Reason being is I don't have any really, and I think it's good to have some. So I got some of these 3/8 because since I bought my 3/8 Milwaukee, I figure I get some. And then I seen this in there, 10-piece of 10 millimeters. I just thought it was cool to have. So, yep. And I got some 3/8 impact extensions. Good to have. I got these also because I got a 3/8 Milwaukee impact, I think it's called. So yeah. And I got this to hang your brake calipers. I usually use zip ties or put it on the side, but this was cheap. I figure why not give it a try. Doesn't hurt to have it. So yep, Amazon. And I got this from Capri Tools, oil filter wrench. Hopefully this one fits and works. It says it does. I'll go try it. I have one already, but I wanted to try this Capri Tools one. So Amazon also. And here we got a Capri Tools wobble impact extensions, 3/8. Okay, 3-inch, 6-inch, and 12-inch. So we'll open this up and look at it. Amazon also. And then last but not least, I got this 3-piece stubby ratchet set, quarter, 3/8 and half. I don't know. I don't think I need it, but I got it. I know they make better brands of these shorts, but I don't think I really need it. Like I said, I just thought it was interesting that they're short. Might come in handy, might not, but it was very cheap on Amazon. So let's open this up too. I want to see how small they are. small. What is this, a quarter? Seems like you'll get into small spots. It's heavy. Let's see here. 1/2 inch, super heavy. Feels good. It's heavy. .72 tooth, heavy. Some 3/8. Seems like it's built pretty good. But like I said, I just got these, I don't know, just thought they were cool because they're super short. Let's see if I'll use them or not. But the 1/2 inch, it's really heavy. So let me get out another one so you can see the difference, how short they are. Well, this is my 1/2 inch Icon. And this is the 1/2 inch stubby, or how you say the name, Tamars. And you can see how short it is. And then this is my 3/8 flex head Capri tools right here. Same length as the Icon, 1/2 inch. Here's the quarter. So yeah, it's nice. So out with that. Here's the Capri wobble extension. So put a socket on it. It moves a little bit, not as much as the other one I have, but it's, you know, it still wobbles. You push it all the way down and it pretty much locks. So yep, it'll do its job. But other than that, thanks for watching, and yeah, you should check these out. Interesting, small, and like I said, there's probably better ones, and there is more expensive. I just wanted to see them, and yep. And then later in another video we can do the tools I carry in this in my vehicle, what kind of tools I carry in here. So yep, all these are staying in my car also. Carry all this with me.